Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the OS updates are applied and you've restarted if prompted. Next, open Word or Excel and sign into the Microsoft account that holds your Office license. This ensures updates match your subscription. Once signed in, go to File then Account to view the current Office version and Update channel. This tells you what to expect. Starting here avoids mismatched builds and saves time later. So do this before you trigger updates. Now you run the update. From File Account, pick Update Options, then Update Now. Office checks Microsoft servers and downloads available patches. If you don't see update options, enable Microsoft Update in System Settings or download the latest Office installer from your account portal and run it manually. While updating, close all Office apps and save documents. This prevents file conflicts and incomplete installs. Once the installer finishes, the updater will often apply fixes automatically. Make sure all components finished before moving on. Finish by restarting your PC or Mac so Office can register updated components. This step resolves many residual issues. If Office behaves oddly after restart, run Repair. On Windows, use Control Panel Programs Repair, and on macOS, reinstall Office from your account. If that fails, check the update history in File Account or System Settings and note any error codes. This helps isolate network, permission, or disk problems. One key troubleshooting tip: temporary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.